Welcome friends. This short video is part of my 1 minute wisdom series where I share one simple, effective, tested and implementable tip every week. I am Sanjay Sarada, business management consultant, strategic advisor and certified corporate director. Today's tip is fire 10% employees every year for healthy growth. It is a known fact that many employees change their job during course of their career. Reason of leaving the job could be different for each organization, but one thing is common. Majority of leaving employees are those who are performing well and have good demand in the job market. With every such exit, average standard of employees in the organization goes down. You must have noticed highly skilled and competent people enjoy working in the environment where others are also equally competent and where wavelengths match with each other. Every voluntary exit further deteriorates this desired environment. One effective way to manage this problem is to identify bottom 10% employees with clearly measurable performance parameters and fire them to get replacement with fresh blood having competent skill sets. With such practice, in addition to maintaining quality standards in the organization, it will create better environment to discourage good people to leave. Friends, if you like more such videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and feel free to like and share. Thank you.